Hey everyone, I'm here to help you if you have a video that you shot yourself and you would like to upload it to your Google site for people to see. I'm going to walk you through that process right now. Okay, so let's say you have a video that you took on your iPhone or iPad and it's of you and you just want to upload it to your site for students and parents to see. Here's how you're going to do it. So I know that I have my video, it's on my iPad. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and download the Google Drive app and sign into your eStamwell account. When I open the app, I'm going to go in the bottom right hand corner here and I'm going to press the plus sign and I am going to upload, and it's going to say I want it to be a photo or video. Okay, I'm going to look on my camera roll and there's my video. I'm going to select it and I'm going to press the upload button in the top right hand corner. And then it's going to start to upload to the Google site. And depending upon the size of the video, it's going to take more time. So I'm going to watch the progress bar and wait for it to complete. Now, once it finishes uploading, it might move from the iPad. Don't worry, it's in the process of uploading. So the next thing you could do is you could double check on your actual Google Drive on your computer. So I'm going to head over to my computer. I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to, on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Recent. And there it should show me that it was the last thing that finished uploading. I'm actually going to right click on this and take the moment to rename it, because this will help me find it a whole lot easier. Now, the other thing I have to remember to do is I uploaded it to my Google Drive. That's my personal online folder. Even though I'm going to put it on my website, I still need to remember to share it so other people can see it. So in my Google Drive, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to my share settings. I'm then going to hit advanced. And then instead of keeping it private, only I can access, I'm going to change that to on anyone with the link can view it. And I'm going to save that. And when it's done saving, it'll say, hey, anyone who has a link can view it. And I'm going to hit done. And I can see in my drive, it actually adds the little shared icon with it. So I'm going to head over to my Google site. I'm going to click on the pencil, the edit the page. On the top left hand, I'm going to go to insert. I know it's in my Google Drive. And I know it's a video. And then I'm actually going to search for the name of it. I'll type it there. Hit the search button. And it found it. But don't worry, if it has this broken icon link, that just means that it's still rendering. We uploaded it to the Google Drive, but it's still processing. So just give it some time. Again, depending upon the size of the file, it might take longer than other files, but I could still select it. I can hit the blue select button. I can choose to add a border around it. I can choose to have a title to it. I can change the size if I wanted to, but I'm just going to hit the save button here. It says that here's the movie that I'm embedding, and then I want to go and hit the save button in the top right hand corner. And again, it is now in the website. However, I'm getting the swirly because, again, it's still rendering. It's still updating and formatting. So, but when it's done, your video should be there, and people will have access to it because you changed the share settings. So hopefully that's helpful to you, and if you have any more questions, just let me know. Thanks very much. Have a good one.